How to enable Instagram story comments in just a few easy steps. Ensure you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your device. This feature requires the most recent updates. Launch the app and log into your account. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three horizontal lines, sure in the top right corner, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Comments. Look for the option labeled Story Comments. You can choose from options like Everyone or Followers you follow back. Select your preferred setting to allow comments. Now when you share a story, followers will be able to comment on it. Remember, comments will be visible for 24 hours unless the story is saved as a highlight. If you want to disable comments for a specific story, you can do this by selecting Turn off commenting before posting. This feature enhances interaction while allowing you to control who can comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.